Welcome to my channel, Quiz Explorer. Prove your intelligence. Try these logic and IQ questions. What comes next in the sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8. And what is the next number? Answer is 10. What comes next in the sequence? 1, 3, 5, 7. And what is the next number? Answer is 9. Find the missing number. 3, 6, 11, 18, 27. And what is the missing number? Answer is 38. A bucket filled with water weighs 5 kilograms. When half the water is removed, it weighs 3 kilograms. What is the weight of the empty bucket? Answer is 1 kilogram. A man has 3 children. Each of his children has 2 brothers. How many children does he have in total? Answer is 3. A boy was 10 years old in 1990. How old is he in 2025? Answer is 45. A cube has 6 faces. If 2 opposite faces are removed, how many faces remain? Answer is 4 faces. A rope is 120 meters long. If you fold it into 3 equal parts, how long is each part? Answer is 40 meters. A man is 24 years old. His brother is 4 years older. How old is his brother in 10 years? Answer is 38 years. If it takes 3 hours for a car to travel 180 miles, how long will it take to travel 240 miles? Answer is 4 hours. Which of the following words is the odd one out? Run, walk, jump, sleep. Answer is sleep. If a clock shows 6 o'clock, what is the angle between the hour and minute hands? Answer is 180 degrees. If 5 cats can catch 5 mice in 5 minutes, how many cats are needed to catch 100 mice in 100 minutes? Answer is 5 cats. A person is caught in a locked room with a glass of water, a spoon, and a candle. How can they escape? Answer is use the spoon to dig. If it takes 5 workers 5 days to build 5 houses, how long will it take 100 workers to build 100 houses? Answer is 5 days. A clock shows 3:15. What is the angle between the hour and minute hands? Answer is 7.5 degrees. A man walks 10 miles south, 10 miles east, and 10 miles north. He ends up at his starting point. Where is he? Answer is, he is in North Pole. A train is moving at 60 miles per hour. How long will it take to travel 90 miles? Answer is 1.5 hours. How many 3s are there in 555? Answer is 0. What is the odd one out? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17. Answer is 15. What is the next number in the sequence? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and the next number is? Answer is 13. What is the next number in the sequence? 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, and the number is? Answer is 42. How many sides does a dodecagon have? Answer is 12.